Hello friends, welcome to the Mac Technology. Today we learn how to open an account on mt4. MetaTrader4 is online one of the most famous and mostly used online trading platform, mt4. Let's jump into the platform and see how we can open a trade, how we can open an account, how we can place the order, how we can edit, change, modify our existing order, how we can place a stop loss, how we can place a limit order, and how we can set a trailing stop to protect our profit. So let's go start it. Here you can see on the top left corner there is a file option. Click on the file. There are options to open a new account, log into existing account, web trader. That we are starting from the scratch, so just we will start open an account option. Here you see a server window. It's showing the available server with this broker. We will go with the demo one. Click next, fill up our informations, and click go. So here you can see it is our demo
Incoming
account is
mail.
open. It's active now. There's 50,000 demo money in it, deposited, tested, different order types, different features of the platform. So here on the left side you can see this is a market watch window. Here you can see all the symbols available with this broker you can trade. It's either forex, it's metals, gold, silver, commodities, coffee, indices. You can see S&P, Nasdaq, oil, energy sectors, oils, coca, coffee, soybean, silver, gold, all currencies, and as well as you can trade the cryptocurrencies on this platform. It's very easy to start trading, but it's very difficult to make profits. As you know, the trading, forex trading looks apparently very easy, but practically it needs a lot of study, needs a lot of efforts, lot of knowledge to get the profit from this market. So anyhow, let's start with the orders. Here you can see on the you can edit the symbols as well by right clicking. Go to here you can hide, you can add, you can show all the symbols. If we click on the symbols, it will show us all the symbols available on at this platform. So if we want to hide any particular symbols which you think you don't want it, you don't want to see on your screen, you can right click on symbol and simply click on the hide option. You see it's hide. You can move the symbols, you can make your own list by your choice. Let's see, we want to see most of the time if we want to trade the gold, we want to see it on the top top of the list. So we will click on the symbol and drag it up. Here it go. You can see now the gold is on the top of the list. So here the other options, you can add more options to this window, market watch window, like it's showing high, low, right click, high, low. You can set the time. Yes, you see the time, or you can hide. You can see spread over here. It's showing you how much is the spread for any particular windows. You can change the size. This is for this is spread column. You can see a spread over here. So let's start with our first order. click on the symbol. You can double click, it will open a order option, or you can right click on the symbol and open a new order. The same thing. So here you can see there are two type of order option they have it. One is market execution. Market execution is when you click on the buy or sell and after selecting the lot, it will open an order for you. Let's go and try first with the instant market execution. We want to place a one lot buy order for the gold, and at the same time if we want we can set a stop limit for our order, and as well as we can set a profit taking limit to our order. Here we go. So we are going to open a buy order. So when you go open a buy order, you have to set the stop loss at few points below the current market price. And the same way you will have set a profit taking limit up above the market level, current market level. So we click on the buy. You see, instantly it's opened the order, one lot gold at this price 1810.18. This is our stop loss, this is our profit taking limit, and here it's showing the net position, net profit loss of this order. We can, after opening the order, we can modify this order. We can modify. Here's the option. When you right click on stop loss, here you see the modify or delete order option. If you want to delete the order, you can do that, but you can modify as well. Here you can see, let's see, we change our stop level. We want to move little below our stop level. Here you can do that. Click the blue bar and it's done. Stop loss is modified. Same way we can modify our profit taking limit. Here you see go. And we can also place a trailing stop by right clicking on the stop loss. Go to trailing stop, and here it will show the options. These are predefined points, how many points you want to set the trailing stop. You can set the custom. Order is closed. Market hit our stop loss, so it automatically closed the order. You can see the status of your closed order and go to the account history. Here you can see what price we opened it, what price was our limit, what was stop, and what price it was closed. And here it's showing the profit loss, whatever it is. Okay, so this is for the new order. In the same way we can do it again with the pending order option. Go the type of order, select the pending. Here you can select buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Whatever you want to do that, you can select accordingly. So let's suppose we are going to place a sell limit over here. We'll select the sell option, set a price, at what price you want to sell, and set the price, and also you can set stop loss accordingly. So whatever level you want to place a stop, you can do that. Or manually you can enter the value, whatever value you want to put it in. And profit taking accordingly, we can do that as well. So the place, here you can see it didn't place the order right away as we selected the pending order, so it's showing a pending order over here. It's pending. When the market will reach at our sell limit price, it will automatically execute our order like that. So we can cancel this order. We can delete this order. Simply right click on the order. Either it's a open order or it's a pending order. In both way you have this option. Click on the modify and you see the yellow bar. It's a delete order option. So if you change your mind, we don't want to place this order, you placed by mistake or you don't like it, you can just click on the delete sign and it's done. So your order is deleted. You are no more open order in the market. So you see it's very simple, very easy how to do it. You can trade multiple things in this, the gold, silver, currencies, and as well as cryptocurrencies in the same platform. There's one more thing. Right now practiced, we explored the new order options. There are other option which is called the one-click trading option. It's I think also a very handy feature. If the market is too fast, it doesn't give you the options to select, do this and that. And you can, if you activate one-click order, it instantly will place the order without showing you the order window. Let's try this one too. So go to tools, select options. Here on this pop-up window you can see one click trading. If we click on this, it shows all the details, all about how it is, and agree, okay, okay. Now our one click order option is activated. So as we before click on the symbol and it showed us a pop-up window to select further options. In this case, it will not show you any option, any order window anymore. It will right away open an order for us. Let's say here you can see pop-up prices, buy, sell side, buy side. So we want to buy one lot. We will click and instantly it will open an order for us. Here it go. Here see. It didn't show this time as we activated the one click order option. It didn't show us the order window anymore. It just right away it's click the order. Normally most traders use this option because if the market is trading too fast and you don't want to close the order or don't if you want to open an instant order, it's very good feature. I like it. So the same way later on you can set a stop loss for this open order. Same way, double click on the stop loss and that will show you the option where you want to set the stop loss. And same way you can set your profit limit as well. Click the blue bar, all set. So here you see now it's showing us a stop loss, taking profit, and we can set the trailing stop as well. Go to inertia. When we select the trailing stop, the stop loss bar turned into yellow, which means it's active. Now it will automatically move your stop up if market start moving in our favor. We set the stop loss at 1809.50. If market move little up in our favor, it will automatically change the stop loss. It's a good option, trailing stop, if the market is trending on direction and you don't want to change the stop again and again. You set a certain point away and it will automatically keep changing your stop level. I hope you would like it, you would have learned it and like it. If you have any question, you can write in the comments. We can make another video to explore more features, and the next video we will make on, let's say, charting, technical analysis. It's very handy and very it's lot selection. It has a lot big selection of technical analysis. You can perform different things, the moving average, accelerator, oscillator, volumes, oscillators, trends, Bollinger Band. There's so many. You name it and you have it. It has, I think, have all available technical analysis in this. So we'll go through the technical analysis and charting options next time. Stay tuned, subscribe the channels. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.